Yo, what's up? This is Merlino up in Rendo Brighter's art studio. Rendo Brighter is a poet that's about to tell you about his travels from New York to Florida, for how he got his first CD, to his second CD, to his art here on the wall, everything that is positive, from You Can to Words and Lust. There was one that actually being grateful.
But married people play it too.
We are going to be inspired by Rendo Brighter. So let's hear a little bit about Rendo, how he got here and where he's going, what his travel plans are, and what inspires him, from like the business leaders to just motivational speakers to other poets. You gotta learn a lot from this guy. I know I have, and you'll enjoy it. Rendo Brighter here on How You Livin'. Merlino, Black Diamond Studios, 219 East Hanover. You can't fuck with this. What's up? So, why would you advise artists that have that doubt?
Well, my advice to any artist that has any degree of doubt anywhere in their mind is this, plain and simple: get over it. You know how I get over my little momentary feelings of doubt? I do it my own way, and you might have your own way. But some of my suggestions, my recommendations on how to overcome doubt and just keep it moving is A, stick with your craft. If you're a poet, keep writing. Write through the writer's block. If you're a comedian, same thing. You gotta write through it. Write even when you don't want to. And also switch it up. I have kind of a slogan, which is do something new will happen. And I actually address the concept of doubt a lot in my work. Like, I got a poem where I said, I don't know what it is, but I fight to figure it out, and I write to get it out, and it's like a scream and a shout, and I don't even like to believe in doubt, and the vein in my neck is popping out when I get on the mic and I speak about everything in my life, because I don't even like to leave out nothing, because everything in my life is something to write about, and I ain't bluffing, I hold it back nothing tonight. And so the stuff that I write, it comes out and it comes up right, and every punchline is punctuated right. So, you know, that's just one of many times that I've addressed doubt in a poem. So if you're in a rut, or if you're feeling some kind of doubt, do something new. Literally, do something outside of your comfort zone. Do something you've never done before, and then watch as new results, you know, come out of it. But doubt is extremely common. Sometimes you'll doubt yourself, or sometimes things that others say or do will trigger doubt in you, but you really don't have to feed into it.